Hello viewers, this is Sonu Sharma and today I will start with topic the of trading. In stock marketing we discuss about all the tools we have used in trading stock handling, so never wasting a time, let's start our video. Stock market and trading. A complete guide. The stock market is a complex yet exciting financial world where investors buy and sell shares of publicly traded companies. Understanding how it works, the different types of trading, and the best ways to learn can help you navigate the market successfully. Let's break everything down step by step. 1. What is the stock market? The stock market is a marketplace where buyers and sellers trade stocks, shares of a company. It allows companies to raise capital by selling shares, while investors can potentially earn profits through price appreciation or dividends. Key stock market components. 1. Stock exchange. A platform where stocks are bought and sold, e.g., NSE, BSE, NYSE, Nasdaq. 2. Stocks, shares. Represent ownership in a company. 3. Indices. Groups of stocks representing market performance, e.g., Nifty 50, Sensex, Dow Jones, S&P 500. 4. Brokers. Middlemen who facilitate trading, e.g., Zerodha, Upstocks, Angel One. 5. Regulators. Organizations that oversee market fairness, e.g., SEBI in India, SEC in the USA. 2. How does the stock market work? Step-by-step process. 1. Companies list on the stock exchange. A company issues shares through an initial public offering, IPO. 2. Investors buy and sell shares. Stocks are bought and sold through brokers via stock exchanges. 3. Price determination. Prices fluctuate based on supply and demand, company performance, economic conditions, and investor sentiment. 4. Earnings and dividends. Investors may profit from capital appreciation, rising stock prices, or dividends, company profit distribution. 3. Types of trading in the stock market. Stock trading involves buying and selling stocks for profit. Here are the main types of trading. 1. Intraday trading, day trading. 1. Buying and selling stocks within the same day. 2. High risk, requires fast decision-making. 3. Tools. Technical analysis, candlestick charts, price action strategies. 2. Swing trading. 1. Holding stocks for a few days or weeks to profit from short-term price movements. 2. Less stressful than intraday trading. 3. Positional trading. 1. Holding stocks for weeks, months, or years. 2. Focuses on long-term trends and fundamentals. 4. Options and futures trading, derivatives trading. 1. Options. Contracts giving the right, but not obligation, to buy, sell at a set price in the future. 2. Futures. Agreements to buy, sell at a future date at a fixed price. 5. Scalping. 1. Super short-term trading, minutes or seconds. 2. Requires advanced technical skills. 6. Algorithmic trading. 1. Trading done using automated software. 2. Requires programming skills and deep market knowledge. 4. How to start learning stock market trading. To master stock trading, follow these steps. Step 1. Learn the basics. 1. Understand stocks, stock exchanges, brokers, and market trends. 2. Read books like The Intelligent Investor, Benjamin Graham, A Beginner's Guide to the Stock Market, Matthew Crater. Step 2. Follow the market. 1. Read financial news, Money Control, Economic Times. 2. Watch financial YouTube channels. Step 3. Learn technical and fundamental analysis. 1. Fundamental analysis, long-term investing. Analyzing company financials, earnings, revenue, industry trends. 2. Technical analysis, short-term trading. Studying charts, indicators, price patterns. Step 4. Open a Daymod and trading account. 1. Choose a broker, e.g., Zerodha, Upstocks, Angel One. 2. Start with small investments. Step 5. Practice with paper trading. 1. Paper trading, virtual trading, allows you to practice without real money. 2. Platforms. TradingView, NSE, BSE virtual trading, Zerodha Varsity. Step 6. Start trading with real money. 1. Invest small amounts in real stocks. 2. Learn risk management, stop loss, position sizing. Step 7. Stay updated and keep learning. 1. Follow market news. 2. Join stock market forums, Reddit, TradingView. 5. Best ways to learn the stock market. 1. Books and courses. 1. Online platforms. Udemy, Coursera, Zerodha Varsity. 2. Read investment classics. 2. YouTube and podcasts. 1. Follow finance YouTubers for daily market updates. 3. Stock market simulators and paper trading. 1. Practice without risk. 4. Join stock market communities. 1. Forums like TradingView, Money Control. 5. Learn from mistakes. 1. Keep a trading journal to track mistakes and improve. 6. Tools used in stock market trading. 1. Trading platforms. 1. Zerodha, Kite. 2. Upstocks. 3. Angel One. 2. Charting and analysis tools. 1. TradingView. 2. MetaTrader. 3. Investing.com. 3. News and market data. 1. Money Control. 2. Economic Times. 3. Yahoo Finance. 4. Technical indicators. 1. Moving averages, SMA, EMA. 2. Relative Strength Index, RSI. 3. MACD, Moving Average Convergence Divergence. 4. Bollinger Bands. 5. Algorithmic Trading Tools. 1. Algo Trading Platforms, Python, Zerodha API. 7. What is paper trading? Paper trading is a simulated trading practice where you trade with virtual money instead of real money. Why use paper trading? 1. No financial risk. 2. Learn how trading works. 3. Test trading strategies. Best paper trading platforms. 1. TradingView, best for charting and analysis. 2. NSE, BSE virtual trading platforms. 3. Zerodha Varsity, educational content plus paper trading. Conclusion: then the stock market is a powerful way to grow wealth, but learning is essential before investing real money. Start with books, online courses, and paper trading before diving into real investments. Choose the right tools, learn risk management, and stay updated on market trends to become a successful trader or investor. Rocket Rising Market. Would you like recommendations for specific courses, brokers, or trading strategies? Let me know. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe, like, and show. Thank you once again, viewer.